Today, I thought we would compare the new JBL Flip 7 to see how it compares to the older JBL Flip 5. Obviously, the Flip 7 has a slightly different design now. Actually looks really close to the Flip 6. I think the Flip 5 design still looks pretty good in my opinion, but I do think the Flip 7 looks a little more modern. Obviously, that's going to be personal preference. Still pretty similar weight though, at 1.23 pounds for the Flip 7, 1.2 pounds for the Flip 5. Still pretty much the same buttons, just a little closer now on the Flip 7. Probably a little easier to use in my opinion. You can also see the Flip 7 has a new push lock system for the clip or strap. So definitely a nice advantage there, where it's just a strap on the Flip 5. One advantage you get with the new JBL Flip 7 is you now get up to 16 hours battery life. Although keep in mind 2 of those hours is by using Playtime Boost, where it's only 12 hours for the Flip 5. You compare 2 of the Flip 5 speakers together using Party Boost, where with the Flip 7, it's using Auracast, so a little bit different technology there. And you won't be able to pair these 2 together, unfortunately. Both of these are dust and waterproof with IPX7 for the Flip 5 versus IP68 for the new Flip 7. One other difference is the JBL Flip 5 is on the older Bluetooth 4.2 versus Bluetooth 5.4 on the Flip 7. The JBL portable app works with both of these speakers. Unfortunately, you don't have all the EQ settings and extra features that you get with the Flip 7, so there's not really a lot of reason to use the mobile app for the Flip 5 in my opinion. With the Flip 5 you got 20 watts power versus 25 watts for the Flip 7 woofer, and then you also have an extra 10 watts for the tweeter for a total of 35 watts. And yeah, when you listen to these back to back, you're gonna notice quite a bit of difference on how they sound. Here's a quick sample of each just to see if you can tell a difference.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Not sure if you can tell from those samples, but when you listen to these back to back on several different types of music, they actually sound quite a bit different in person. The Flip 7 has a little better clarity, maybe a tad more fuller sound to it, but I don't know, I still like the Flip 5, how it has a little better bass. It's definitely going to come down to what types of music or stuff that you'll be listening to, because they both sound pretty good for most of the stuff that I've been testing. It's probably just a little more bass heavy on the Flip 5 versus the Flip 7. I'm sort of on the fence. If you already have the Flip 5, I could see some people upgrading to the Flip 7, but in my opinion, I still think the Flip 5 sounds really good in person. But if you told me I could only have one of these, I would actually be okay with either one.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.